Hello out there in YouTube land. Welcome back to my channel. You have now joined into the world of Scented Legacy. Welcome and thank you for joining. I don't know how I always forget about the glare. Let me take my glasses off. Just really used to wearing them at this point. Okay, back to the video. Okay, as I was saying, welcome back. Thank you for joining. So today I have a new product that I want to open with you all on this channel. Because that's what we're here for, right? We're in this community. We're all about sharing, and sharing is caring. So, just a little bit of a backstory. For any of you candle makers know that wax is a super huge deal, and there is a new wax on the market that I was interested in trying. I don't know if you all have heard of the Candle Chef. If you hadn't, he is spectacular at all that he does. He makes amazing candles, and he's basically in his niche is more like um, dessert candles. So if you don't know him, definitely look him up. If that's something that you're interested in, head over to his channel and check him out. He offers Patreon classes, he offers molds, and now he has wax. Dream Soy has entered the chat. So I got it the other day and I've been wanting to open it with you all. So here we go. It's a 100% soy wax. So for any of those who really strictly want to use soy, I'm one of those. This might be a good option for you. It's an introductory. Literally, he just came out with the wax this month. So it's an introductory wax to myself. Thank you, Chef. That's so cool. That's my invoice. Nice. I forgot I ordered two pound bags. I was wondering why it was so big or heavy. All right, so here we go. Let's look at it. Get it out of here. There we go. That smells just like wax. So this is Dream Soy. Can you all see it? It's not that good of a look, but it's in pastel form, which is amazing. I know they have slab forms, and I don't like it. I'm just gonna be honest. I do not like slab form wax. Even though I was trying it with a wax that I had before that was awesome, I thought, and it wasn't that bad. It was a coconut soy, so it was softer. Oh, they feel so good. Little pastel pastel forms. It's in little pastel pellets. I love it. Oh, I can't wait to try this. It's so fluffy. Just like soy wax. Okay, I'm gonna make a mess of myself. So, let's close this back up. And I'll be right back. Alright, so I have pulled up the website. Also, I want to say really quickly, I hope y'all can hear me better. I've kind of held off on doing videos because I couldn't figure out why my videos were so low. And I believe I fixed it. I tried it before I started this video and it worked pretty good. So hopefully y'all can hear me well. Otherwise, I'll have to figure something else out. Oh, I am in the market for some microphones. So I definitely plan to get that. I just want to say that doing a YouTube channel is something that I've always wanted to do, and in 2024, I'm all about doing what you want to do. Like, if it brings you joy and it's not hurting anyone else, do what you want to do. Okay? All right. So I will have his website linked in excuse me, in the description box for you all to go check him out. But this is his website and what it looks like. I don't know if you can see that. Oh yeah, there we go. See it kind of Dream Soy. Anyway, I'll get that figured out too. So, just to go over the description, it says introducing Dream Soy, a meticulously crafted soy wax from the Candle Chef LLC, now available for pre-sale. But he's actually selling it now. Dream Soy represents the pinnacle of soy wax innovation, specifically designed for the unique demands of dessert candle making. So here's some of the product features. Excuse me. Measuring this wax comes in pastel for easy measurements. Plus, definitely a plus. Composition. Dream Soy is a 100% soy wax blended with natural oils, ensuring an eco-friendly and natural product. So for all of those who definitely want something more natural, trying to stay eco-friendly, this is definitely a good choice to try. It's a container-based wax, so according to the Candle Chef, it has great. I'm gonna read it. I'm sorry. Before I get it, I'm gonna read it. So, fragrance load. This wax can accommodate up to a 10% fragrance load, allowing for rich, lasting scents with no sweating. Anybody who knows how to make candles or are in this candle industry, sweating is a major deal. We definitely don't want sweating. So, it's good that in his research he found that there's no sweating. High oil content. After extensive testing across various candle types, Dream Soy's high oil content has been optimized for dessert candles, which is amazing. I do want to get into the dessert candle game, so I'm super excited. I am super excited. But also for anyone who just wants a 100% soy wax that is a good container wax, I think it would be a good option to try as well. Consistency. Its unique formulation results in minimal frosting when melted at 170 degrees and cooled at an ambient temperature of 75 to 79 degrees. Dream Soy, excuse me, exhibits little to no frosting. Stability. The wax is designed not to sweat under normal conditions and holds a maximum fragrance load without issue. Whipping quality. Ideal for whip designs. It offers an extended cool down time, ample piping time, and is re-whippable, accommodating creative flexibility. That's awesome. Re-whippable? Surface finish. Dream Soy typically forms very smooth tops, eliminating the need for a second top or pour, which is also awesome. Not many people really want to do a second pour. Now, if you have to do a second pour, then you have to, but that's kind of time consuming. And if you have any type of a business that you're trying to scale, of course, going back to retop your candles can be an added burden on you as far as time goes. So that's awesome too. Scent throw. Both cold and hot throws are exceptional, making for an aromatic experience. Exclusivity. Available exclusively on the Candle Chef website. And availability is currently offered in the U.S. only with plans to extend distribution to Canada. So, like I said, it's brand new, so we gotta give him time to get it out there, get more people to buy it so that he can afford to continue distributing it. So I say it's a great thing. I absolutely love the Kindle Chef. If you don't know anything about him, you can check out his site. He also has a Facebook page, a Patreon, Candle Chef Academy, where you can well, everybody knows what Patreon is, where you can go and subscribe and get. There's different tiers, and depending on what tier you subscribe to, you get different benefits. So I definitely say it's something to look into. Once I do get to test it, I'm so excited, honestly, and I have an idea for a candle I want to make that just came to me today. So um, that'll probably be my next tester candle, and I will use it with the Dream Soy to, you know, check it out and see how it works. Hopefully, it is a great wax. It would be awesome to um but it's a great wax, and it would be awesome to use and have an alternative, even if you have a main wax, which is something I guess I'll touch on really quickly. I wasn't going to, but it's kind of segued into that. Um, Even if you have a manufacturer and a main wax that you use, it is always beneficial from what I've learned thus far is to have a secondary option. That way, if something occurs for some reason, if they are out of stock and they can't get it to you, there's distribution issues and or shipping issues, and you're not able to get your product, you have a backup for a wax that's as good or a close second for you to use so that your business doesn't have to halt just because you couldn't get that product. And the segue where that was going is to 1617. It's very unfortunate how they closed. I don't know if you all know anything about 1617, but they were basically a luxury fragrance oil brand. Candle, basically a candle supply company because they had waxes, they had vessels, and they had fragrance oils. And I don't know if you all have watched that video or not, but I recently did a I did I made a perfume on my channel using their perfumers making kit, and and so I'm still actually using that perfume, testing it out, seeing how it works. I love it, but there's no more. 1617 is over now. The good thing is I was gonna try multiple perfumes, alcohol, so that's not necessarily the worst thing in the world. I do still have another one that I want to try that was highly recommended in perfume making. So, it doesn't necessarily affect me greatly because I wasn't really a 1617 customer. I had purchased something from them once, but for those who were avid 1617 customers, whether it was their vessels or their new waxes, which people raved about their waxes, and their fragrance oils. It's very unfortunate for the candle community that they close their doors. And I do want to say here, in case anybody happens to see it, that I'm hopeful that everyone over at 1617 is okay, and that you definitely wish them the best. I'm very sorry to hear that they close their doors. Okay, so I think that's it for now. I think I'll just go ahead and stop here. I do want to say again, thank you all for watching. I see that I've gotten some subscribers, and I'm so appreciative of you all watching me. I'm sorry that I haven't been consistent or really making a lot of videos. I have so much going on in my life right now. Um, that I actually want to make a personal channel too, so I can go over that stuff because this is more business and I want to keep it that way, keep it in the box that it's in. I don't really want to open it up to too much personal stuff. I don't know. I don't know. So I do have another channel that I'm probably going to go into more things about that, and I'll probably use this one to touch on that one a little bit. And then when I'm doing that one, touch on this one a little bit. I haven't completely decided, but I do want to document those things because like I said in the beginning, it's 2024 and I'm ready to just do what I want to do. And I've been wanting to make a YouTube channel for years, like literally years. And so I mean, you just got to go for what you want. If it makes you happy, like I said, it's not hurting anyone, what's stopping you? And that's what I'm trying to do this year. So that's neither here nor there. But anyway, my personal life has just been really, really busy, and I just haven't had a lot of time to get on here. But I made time today because I really wanted to open that box. And doing the video definitely helped me get that done. So I just want to say I appreciate you all being here. Thank you for watching me. Thank you for subscribing. So please, again, for anybody who watches this, if you are not subscribed, do subscribe, like, and comment. I do comment back. I mean, I don't have anybody watching, so it's really not hard to come back to comment back to you. But excuse me. I do thank you for everyone who is here, everyone who is watching. It is truly appreciated. I don't know if, I mean, I guess you could say making a YouTube channel can be a dream, right? I mean, it's out here. So, I mean, you all are just helping to make my dreams come true. And I couldn't tell you how grateful I am for that. So, without getting too much and without continuing to ramble, I'm gonna go ahead and cut it here. But I did just want to say that I thank you all. Thank you all for watching. For everyone presently and in the future, I appreciate you. Have a wonderful day.